I want to show you how to reinstall the ICS M4. I already got the gearbox in the body and the mag pack. This thing. Got this thing in. You just put it in, screw it in with the button. Done. Now I'm gonna put the motor in. Well, first the pistol grip. Take your pistol grip. Stick it on your cord. Keep this up. Point your wires up and make sure they're inside the holes. The big ones, not the small ones, and that's grease. It's weird how grease got in there, but whatever. And the big holes on the side. Positive go through the front and negative through the back. Slide in. Take a long screwdriver, long, and screw those two screws in. They seem like they're long, but they're pretty long for some reason. They don't. Well, you just seem like you're doing this for a while. It's kind of weird. So you got some light so you can see in it. So they're tight. So hold your motor, your gearbox together, everything. Now you take your motor with all the stuff that's all magnetized to it. And stick it in. Can't really see it on mine, but make sure your positive is on the positive side. You don't want to mix these up. I don't even know which one's positive. I know now. Your motor is binding. Make sure you not binding. Make sure you can keep pressing it up and down. No problems. Oh, I have to do that. Put it in here wrong. And let's connect your connectors. It's easier to disassemble than reassemble. That. Now, take your motor plate and stick it in there. Screw it in. I don't know why I picked this long screwdriver. Just tighten it in place. There you go, man. Take your upper receiver, look at it, looking sexy, a lot of unnecessary accessories on it. Do a review on this bad boy later, but of course you take your you have to have your upper gearboxes in here too. Well, actually it's easier to take it out. Just combine them. Start with the front and the back. comes together somehow. And stick the pin that is like a half circle, not the full circle. I'm sticking in here. Just put it in. It will do that in these ICS. Crack open like that. Stick a hand to it. Problem solved. Stick a gearbox in it. Slide it into place. Make sure it's in there. Push on it. Make sure it's in there. Just stick it in here. Like redo that. So you don't smash these pins on the outside of these things. Just make sure it's in there. And watch out for this getting smashed on here while you're closing it. So the thing is to watch out. So you don't want that. You don't want that. You want it to go in and close. And finish it off by putting the pin in the back. That's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and just like Swell, hit you up with 2 fingers.